Hello there and welcome to another easy tutorial. Please like and subscribe for more, and if you need a tutorial on something, leave it in the comments. In today's tutorial, I will be showing you how to buy a domain for your webshop using Shopify. Start by logging into your Shopify account. Next, go to Settings and choose Domains. After that, click on Buy New Domain. Now you can check if the name of your webshop is still available with .com, which is used the most for domains. You can also go for .org or .store, but this is less popular. As you can see, easytutorialsite.com still available and costs $15 a year. If you type in a domain that is already in use, it will say so too, of course. If you don't know a name for your store yet, you can always ask ChatGPT. When decided, click on Buy Domain. I suggest turning auto-renew every year off because you never know what might change in a year. All of your information should already be filled in. If not, fill it in yourself. This is important because you will own this domain and no one else can use it afterwards. When done so, click on Buy Domain once more. Pay up if you didn't connect your credit card or PayPal and the domain is yours. The only important thing left to do is to confirm your email to prove that it was you who bought the domain within 15 days. Thanks for watching and let me know which easy tutorial you want next.